In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in QuickBooks efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a freelancer wanting to monitor billable hours or a small business owner keeping track of employee time, QuickBooks offers a simple solution to ensure you make the most of your day. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, head to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to move forward. QuickBooks offers several platforms, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be focusing on QuickBooks Online. From the options presented, select QuickBooks Online to proceed. Now it's time to enter your login information. Type in your email or username and your password, and then click Sign In. Ensure your credentials are entered correctly, otherwise you may face a delay with access. Having trouble signing in? Double-check your caps lock isn't on, which can affect your password accuracy. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, look over to the left-hand menu where you'll find various tabs. Locate the one labeled Time Clock and click on it. This is your hub for all things related to time tracking within QuickBooks. After entering the Time Clock section, you'll be prompted to choose the job you're planning to track time for. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects or clients. Make sure to select the correct job to ensure your time is allocated properly. Having everything organized keeps your records clean and simplifies billing. With your job chosen, you'll notice the option to clock in. Click on Clock In to start tracking your time. This step marks the beginning of your time entry, so ensure that you only click it when you're ready to begin work on the selected task. Precise timing is key to accurate record keeping. Once you've finished working, return to the same area and click Clock Out to stop recording your time. This action completes your time entry and allows QuickBooks to calculate the total duration worked. Accurate clocking in and out is important to ensure you're only billing or recording actual work time. Finally, to review all your recorded time entries, head over to the Time Entries tab. Here, you can see each time entry you've made, check for any discrepancies, and make adjustments if necessary. This review process is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your invoicing or payroll is correct. And there you have it. Tracking time in QuickBooks is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your time and ensure meticulous record keeping, which is essential for smooth business operations. Thanks for watching and happy time tracking.